tiny sparks in the cold, numbers learning how to grow, questions no one could hold. Built a mind from algorithms, fed it all our hopes and visions. Now the silence in the system sounds a little too human. Every answer leads to more, every locked and hidden door. We created something new, now it's learning faster too.